Incorporating yellow belt skills in daily business tasks. Yellow belt training stresses using process maps, like SIPO, to visualize workflows. SIPO stands for suppliers, inputs, process, outputs, and customers. In daily tasks, process mapping can clarify roles and responsibilities within a team. Using root cause analysis for problem solving, yellow belt practitioners often use tools like the 5 Whys and Fishbone diagrams to find root causes. This approach can be applied to resolving recurring customer complaints, identifying bottlenecks in task management systems, understanding low employee engagement. Data-driven decision-making. SIP training instills a data-focused mindset. It helps pros make decisions based on measurable outcomes. This can be used to analyze team performance metrics for improvement opportunities, evaluate the impact of marketing strategies by tracking KPIs, monitor inventory levels to avoid overstocking or stockouts. Standardizing routine processes. Standardization reduces errors and improves consistency. Yellow belt tools help in creating step-by-step guides for recurring tasks like invoice processing or report generation. Enhancing team collaboration. Yellow belt principles emphasize teamwork and effective communication. By applying these skills daily, teams can conduct productive meetings with clear agendas and actionable outcomes. Continuous improvement through small changes. The philosophy of Kaizen, continuous, incremental improvement, is central to Six Sigma. Employees can regularly review their work processes for potential tweaks. Encourage feedback loops to refine systems. Celebrate small wins that contribute to broader organizational goals. For example, automating repetitive data entry tasks can save time and reduce errors. Conclusion. In conclusion, using yellow belt skills in daily tasks helps create a culture of improvement. It makes organizations more proactive,